Hey, today I'm gonna sharpen the chains on my 3 chainsaws. This is the Stihl 361, but before I start sharpening I mark one link with some color so I know where I am. When sharpening the teeth I use the Stihl combination file. It files the cutting tooth and the raker at the same time, and the 2 square bars that are resting on the top of the cutting tooth make sure that the distance is right. So as I file the tooth shorter, the raker file drops down a little. And this is the time it takes to file one side on a 20-inch sword. I take 3 cuts on each tooth. For the next set of tooth, the easiest way is to turn around the saw, because I can't get around to the other side, so this is the quickest way. And the sharpening is pretty much the same. So here is all 3 saws sharpened and ready. For the 251 and for the 193 is the same file, and for this 361 it's a larger file. None of the saws was started before, so they are not warm yet. The bite is really good, and the sawdust that comes out are big chips, so it looks pretty good. As you can tell here, it's pretty big flakes. Then I will start and test the 251. This is the newest of the saws, but this is the first start in the morning. And generally it needs some running time before it starts working properly. Here it goes, not perfect, but running. For this saw, this is normal. It takes a little bit of time before it runs like it should. This log here is about 15-inch. And the saw blade is also 15-inch, so it's exactly right through. It takes a lot longer time than the 360, just to show that it actually cuts. And again, pretty large flakes, smaller than the other one, but it's a smaller chain. My small saw, the 193, takes a lot longer time before it runs. This is more like a garden saw. I use it for de-twigging and stuff like that. It has actually the same length of sword as the 251. But the teeth is the fewer teeth on it. It's still not running like it should. Now it's slowly get up to speed, but it takes a couple of minutes for this saw to get going. And that's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks and goodbye.